If you can't click anything on where Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop, then here are the fixes that people on Reddit says actually worked. Let's go step by step. A lot of Reddit users said the issue comes from the Windows 11 widgets feature. To turn off the widget, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings and make sure to turn off these widgets in taskbar items. You can able to see widgets, just turn it off and then just close stuff here. And the second step, you just need to press Ctrl Alt plus Delete key in your keyboard and you just need to wait for the menu, then click on cancel. And Reddit says this resets the desktop and clicking start working. And the third step, you just need to disable fast startup. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select this view by two large icons and select power options. On left side, select choose what the power buttons do and select change settings that are currently unavailable. And you just need to uncheck this fast startup option and then select save changes option to save it. Reddit users said this stopped the issue from coming back. And the fourth step, you just need to press Windows key and I key together to open up settings. And you just need to go to system and select the display and change your resolution and scaling just like a simple normal change. Apply it, then change back to the original resolution recommended. Some user reported that this refreshes Windows Explorer and fixes clicking. And let's move on to the fifth step, guys. A few people on Reddit said updating their graphics driver finally solved it permanently. So you just need to open the NVIDIA or AMD Intel software and install the latest driver. In my case, I'm having the NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates over here. Just reload option and select the download option and download and install the latest available update. Try these fixes one by one. They all are community tested and confirmed to work for many users. If none of them worked, you just need to press in keyboard Control plus Shift plus Escape key and just scroll down to the bottom. You can able to see Windows Explorer. Just right click and select the restart option. The final step you can also do, just press Windows key and I key together and select the Windows Update option and select check for updates. And if you have any pending update available, then you just need to update it. And doing this both steps fix the problem, guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.